If you feel like your 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E GT has lost its punch after a trip to the dealership, you are right. Your car has been permanently detuned by the 22 Sierra 41 High-Voltage Battery Junction Box Safety Recall Software Update. The direct answer is that Ford used a software patch to limit battery power because the physical hardware inside your battery box is too weak to handle the heat. This part is called a contactor, which is basically a heavy-duty switch. In the original design, these switches were undersized. When you use wide-open throttle or plug into a high-speed direct current fast charger, these parts get so hot they can actually melt and weld themselves shut. If that happens, your car will not move. To avoid replacing these expensive parts on every single car, Ford sent out an update that caps the peak kilowatt discharge from your battery. This means your car cannot pull as much energy as it did when it was new. Owners using Draghi Global Positioning System tools have found that 0 to 60 mph times are now 0.5 seconds slower than before. That aggressive kick you used to feel in unbridled mode is now gone, because the software is protecting the weak hardware from melting. If you ask the service manager, they will tell you the update only adds safety monitoring. However, the torque limiting logic is now hard-coded into your powertrain control module and your secondary onboard diagnostic control module. You cannot fix this by doing a master factory reset of your Sync 4 system or by wiping your personal settings. There is currently no official way to roll the software back to the old version. To handle this, first, go to the owner website and confirm that recall 22 Sierra 41 has been performed on your specific vehicle identification number. Second, use a performance meter to test your 0 to 60 times to see if you are hitting the new, slower 5-second range instead of the original speeds. Third, watch your dashboard power bars during hard acceleration to see if the car is cutting power early to manage heat. Fourth, talk to your service advisor specifically about the high-voltage battery junction box hardware replacement. Some owners have been able to get the actual upgraded physical parts installed after a hardware failure occurs, which is the only way to truly fix the heat issue without losing speed. If you do nothing, you are simply driving a premium performance vehicle that has been permanently slowed down to save the manufacturer the cost of a hardware fix. Check your acceleration times if your car feels sluggish.